Bharti Singh and her husband are under judicial custody. Another shocking news for the fans of the laughter queen Bharti Singh has recently come out. If the present reports are to be believed, then Harsh Limbachia and Bharti has been sent to judicial custody. What went wrong, and till when the Indian comedian queen and her husband will remain in judicial custody? We have all the details in this video about Bharti and Harsh's judicial custody. Let us find out. Laughter queen Bharti Singh and Harsh Limbachia's house was raided on Saturday by the officials of NCB. Even their office was raided by the NCB officials led by their zonal director Samir Wankhede. As per the reports, an official of the NCB has revealed that they have recovered an amount of banned drugs from Bharti and Harsh's residence. The official also added in his statement that NCB team has recovered a total of 86.5 grams of illegal stuff from their house and office. The couple was taken to NCB office for questioning Saturday. While Harsh was taken in NCB's van, Bharti followed the van in her Mercedes. The popular host of Indian TV show Bharti Singh was questioned for around 6 hours on Saturday. Bharti's husband Harsh was questioned by the official of NCB for 12 long hours. The report suggests that after their questioning, the couple was arrested by the NCB as they accepted consumption of drugs. On Sunday, a Mumbai court has sent comedian Bharti and her husband under judicial custody. This couple will remain under the judicial custody for 4th December as per the orders by the Mumbai court. Bharti Singh's lawyer Ayaz Khan has already appealed to the court for their bail, which will be heard soon. As the amount of drugs retrieved is very small as per NDPS Act, court has not given the couple a police custody yet. What are your thoughts about this? Share with us in the comment section and subscribe to our channel for more updates.